Yo, Guam people, you're tuned into Click Reacting. Today we're going to be looking at Drewski's Could Have Been Records New York Edition interview. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you think about these auditions. Who would you pick? Who would you sign to Could Have Been Records if you were on the staff? You know what I'm saying? But as usual, you know Drewski's funny as hell, so we're just going to get right into it. I can't wait to see this, man. I'll see you guys later.
Weight, 400. Height, 6'8". I'm not a Dougie. I'm not a Dougie.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Tubby.
A big fuck nigga we dealing with. God damn.
All right, Tubby.
I used to pray for meals like this, to eat like this, so I had to fry my eggs and drink my grits in a matter of food I taste and chicken I saved in the back of the refrigerator. There's Kool-Aid flavors. See my kitchen unfold. My food dreams come true.
Yo, the securities want to die. Yo, I have to pull this back. Holy.
God damn.
I used to pray for meals like this, to eat like this, so I had to fry my eggs and drink my grits in a matter of food I taste and chicken I saved in the back of the refrigerator. There's Kool-Aid flavors. See my kitchen unfold. My food dreams come true. It was time to go on and die, and I said, hell no.
Hey, hold on.
Bake the chicken in the oven. Thanksgiving, bring the stuffing. Dunkin' Donuts need some munchkins. Halloween, I'm a pumpkin. Trick or treat, back bustin'. Hold on, wait a minute. Payback was the spinach. I got mad, my girl told me the bacon, it was finished. Drink the milk out the carton. Honey mustard for the dipping. This shit finger licking, large Sprite when I'm sipping.
You ever thought about playing O-line?
Yo, let me tell you something, man. When that nigga just said, all I can remember is Halloween, I'm a pumpkin. Like, no.
Oh, try,
No,
man.
that's a bar.
I got a football team, man. I'm coaching these 12 and under kids. I think you'll be a great fit. Let me see down to 3.4.
For under 12?
He'll fuck something up. If this nigga charges this table, shoot that nigga. He big as fuck. Well, you know, with your size, you'd be great on the line. It'd be a great opportunity for you to, you know.
On my block, it get real. On my block, and it's feel. On my block, I'm a ride. On my block, I'm a slide. On my block.
Walk him out.
Looks like he'll roll instead of slide, to be honest.
Thank you, man. Hey, appreciate this. Appreciate the opportunity. Thank you, man. I can't. Hey,
come on,
thank
man.
you, brother. Hey, it's a blessing. It's a blessing. Thank you, man.
I know I won. Okay, when you go back and look at all these auditions, nobody brought the energy I gave.
Yeah, that's
nobody brought the
facts.
anticipation I gave.
That's
you know what I'm
facts.
saying? I didn't come here just to be a funny guy. I came here to be me.
I agree. I think his energy was different.
Anybody ever tell you look like Playboy Cardi?
Like 6 people downstairs.
I respect that. Let's get to it, brother.
And I think about it, would I do without my baby? Would I do without my baby? Girl, I'm going crazy for you. Would I do without my
Oliver. Is Oliver a last name?
No babies.
Cringe.
Girl, I gotta see it tonight.
That's a banger.
Would I do without my no babies? I gotta see it tonight. Girl, I'm loving how you feel. Baby girl, you're so real, so real.
Man, this guy's crazy.
Thank you.
This guy's sick.
That was amazing.
Appreciate it.
You do OnlyFans?
I think.
Nah, but my manager told me I should
Bro, what the
definitely get
fuck
into
is
it.
wrong with this
You
guy?
got that. We'll cut your hair and we'll get you on some OnlyFans shit.
Shit,
You fuck white bitches?
The fuck, brother?
I have before.
Yeah, I knew it. Hey, come on. Hey, I knew it. With a guitar around your neck. Let's go ahead and get you to sign this OnlyFans contract.
OnlyFans right here.
Yeah,
Got you. Appreciate it.
We'll get you on OnlyFans, man. Hey, you be killing that shit.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much, Drewski.
All right, bro.
Oh, matter of fact, nah, I got
That's
that.
good. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, honestly, I don't think there's anybody funnier than Drewski.
That'll be some easy cash. I'll throw y'all boys.
There's nobody.
The champ is
Oh,
here.
fuck no.
All right.
Uh-huh.
Let's get to it.
Michael Brown, juicy caramel, you like a good mix. I'm the top flavor, something like a good Twix.
Let's get him the fuck out of here, bro.
Get him out. Security.
Y'all get him out of here.
security.
Y'all get him out of here. Nah, it ain't gonna happen. Appreciate
Let me
that.
spin it. Hold
Thanks,
on.
man. Yeah, I know
hold
y'all spin.
on, hold
You
on.
finna spin your ass
You
out of here.
can't see me, Drewski.
Yeah, I can't see you, bitch.
No,
you better
you will.
get
You will see
You
me.
big as
yeah,
fuck,
I'll
nigga. What
see
you
you
mean he
all
can't see you?
Get the fuck out of here.
Get ass out of here, Black Cena.
That was trash.
That ain't it.
Yeah.
Drewski thought my performance was quote unquote shitty. And I feel like he should have given me more shine because I feel like I was the best talent in the room. Don't be rushing me all in your ass back like an AMC recliner.
Wait,
I
what?
do believe you think what now you speak,
Okay.
but die thy thoughts when thy first lord is dead.
Okay, when I
I don't know what that
Lord
means.
is dead.
I just was doing a Shakespeare piece.
Oh.
Shakespeare piece. You're a poet.
I'm an actor.
Give me your best Denzel.
And Lydia's like, see? And I'm like, no, wait, that means...
Scene.
What movie was that from?
That shit sucked. I give it to you straight, right?
That's true.
You throw some shit up on a wall, it ain't gonna stick. You throw that shit up on a wall, what's it gonna do?
What am I gonna do?
What the fuck is he gonna do? You get it?
Nah, say it one more time.
I don't give a fuck if you get it. That's the thing about acting, man. You don't get
No.
it. You play sax.
Just to,
That's
oh,
what I do.
okay.
I used to play upright bass in the orchestra.
You dead serious?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So
I
I
can see
respect,
that.
I respect your craft, man.
Yeah, this guy's lit.
All
Well,
right.
he
I
had
like
played
that, I like
saxophone in high school for like a week.
that. Let's clap it up.
I stick with real things, usually facts and figures. When information in its place, I minimize the guessing game on an unexpected day.
You ever done opera?
What you got on your feet there, buddy? I said, my Air Forces. He said, how long you had those right there? I said, about 2 years. I can tell. I can tell.
Hi, Mr. Druski.
Oh, Jesus
Let's
Christ.
take the wig off, man. I'm not here to play no bullshit with you.
Take my what off, sir?
Your wig.
My hair?
Yeah. It can't be your real hair, right?
It is my real hair. So I'm mixed.
All right. What do you mix with?
I'm black and white. My black side is Jamaican, and my white side is European.
Oh, you're gonna get sturdy. Oh, shit.
You like my dance?
Fuck! We can't keep doing this shit, man.
Ha ha ha.
Okay. That was it.
That was a Shadori.
Yo, honestly, the man's responses are too fucking funny.
Yeah. You still a virgin?
A virgin?
Oh, you probably don't know about that. That's women.
I know what this is. What is this again? Who is it? Is that No. I think this might be Krillin's move. I think this is a move by Krillin. I don't think this is Gallic Gunner. I don't remember. I definitely know this move.
You didn't hit me with it. Thank you, man.
Bye.
Oh, shit. This thing is a Fortnite character.
Bye.
Do you not
No
have shoes?
shoes, okay.
Yeah, my shoes were too small. I'm a psychic. That's my day job.
Red
That's
flag.
crazy.
Have go to hell.
This thing is a red flag.
Wait.
What do you mean by that?
You go where?
I'll go to hell, but I'll come back.
Not around me. I'm big on church. I'm big on God.
Me too.
Shut the fuck up. You don't love God for shit.
Yo, this guy's so stupid.
That
Yeah, honestly,
was just one of the most
well,
horrifying
she didn't even say nothing
experiences
funny
in
just
my
there. I don't know
entire
why I
life,
started to
and
laugh.
My entire life has been that. So
How you doing, man? How
How you doing, man?
How you doing today?
Oh, okay.
Well, let's do it. Give it to me.
Rod, wait, whoa. Pause for real.
buy you a train. I'ma take you home with me. I
Yeah.
got money in the bank.
So far, the
Shawty,
New York
what
guys
you
are
think
talented.
about that? Find me in the green Cadillac. We in the bed like ooh, 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 ooh.
Yeah, this thing can sing.
We in the bed like
That jacket's low-key fire, too. Is Drusky auditioning, or?
You an old nigga in face, but young nigga at heart. For real. Old nigga in
This nigga is so disrespectful, bro.
face, young nigga at heart. I like that about you. Let Me Love You. Mario, Let Me Love You. That's one of my favorite songs.
you should let me love you.
Banger.
Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need.
Mm-hmm.
And maybe good love and
Confessions,
protection.
whoa.
What?
Baby, good love and protection, whoa.
Maybe
Make
good
me
love
your
and protection.
selection.
What you say?
Don't you the way love's supposed
Is this guy deaf?
to be? And baby, you should let me love you.
You deserve better, girl. No, you deserve better.
Yo,
Show me to
this guy knows the whole song.
baby. I mean, you is whatever, girl. Hey.
Yo, that bald security, he has wanted to laugh the whole time.
You should let me love you.
Jeez.
See, there we go.
Let me be the one to give. Hey.
Isn't it crazy? Fat people can sing. Like most people that come on stage that are fat, they can sing. Like I've never seen one of them come on stage and flop.
Attaboy, yeah.
Hey.
Oh, okay. So you fucked it up. You fucked it up right there. But hey, man, you got a hell of a voice.
Appreciate you, man.
You fuck, don't you?
I sure do.
The fuck?
Damn right.
Appreciate you, man. The first thing I would do with this record deal, I would buy my mama a house. Could have been, should have
Good
been,
guy.
would have been. Like
He
I'm
just need to
that
be
guy,
there.
I'm that nigga, like.
That'll do it, guys.
Shit is crazy.
That'll wrap the day. Cut.
Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you think and which one of these guys was your favorite on the Audition Man. I'll see you guys later.